Hi, I'm Jason with Maxie's Campground. We have 64 full hookup back-end sites nestled under beautiful live oak and cypress trees. You'll enjoy our newly renovated bathhouse and laundry facility, as well as our excellent Wi-Fi service provided by Cajun Broadband throughout the park. Since 1968, our family campground has been the best RV location in Acadiana. Maxie's is conveniently located on Highway 90 within a 1-mile radius of Walmart, Home Depot, grocery stores, a movie theater, and Starbucks, and some of the best food in Cajun Country. If you're looking for gumbo, boudin, crawfish, or plate lunches, we have the best Louisiana cuisine in the area. For sports recreation, we are next door to Arceneaux Park and less than a mile from Julien Park and the Broussard Sports Complex. We are a favorite stop for many baseball and softball tournament families. We look forward to seeing you at Maxie's Campground.